Welcome to the world of cybersecurity. In this interactive journey, you'll learn how to protect yourself and your organization from cyber threats. Let's get started.
You've received an email claiming your account has been suspended. What will you do?
Now, let's take a look at your password. A weak password like this is easy to guess. Strong passwords are your first line of defense.
By clicking on that email, you've been tricked into visiting a phishing website. You could have just compromised your personal information. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. It's an important step in securing your online accounts.
If you're working from home, be aware of your Wi-Fi network. Using unsecured public networks can expose you to cyber attacks. Software updates often contain important security patches. Delaying them could leave your system vulnerable to attacks.
Physical security is just as important. Leaving your devices unattended or unlocked can lead to data theft. Always lock your device when stepping away.
Mobile devices need to be secured too. Always update apps and use screen locks to protect your personal information.
Great job! You've learned some important steps to protect your devices and data. Remember to stay vigilant